How are you enjoying your peas? Waiter, I'll have a sauce, please. And for the lady, some olive oil. I wrote you something. Roses are red. Violets are blue. The largest earthworm ever recorded was in South Africa and measured 22 feet long. To the rest of our lives together. You bitch. After everything I've done for you, this is how you repay me. You're a wench. You're a wench and a menace. That's all you'll ever be. There are approximately 2,700 different kinds of worms. Worms live where there is food, moisture, oxygen, and a favourable temperature. If they don't have these things, they go somewhere else. In 1 acre of land, there can be more than 1,000,000 earthworms. Charles Darwin spent 39 years studying earthworms more than 100 years ago. I miss my earthworm.